The only difference back to the coffee table design. You guys, it's actually working out pretty well so far. Today we did a little bit of sanding, a little bit of staining, a little bit of adjusting the height and the thickness on certain pieces of the table legs, and so far it's been pretty good. I'll show you right here. You can tell the color is a little bit darker than what it was before. That's just because of the stain. We didn't really do too much for the tabletop today besides staining it. These table legs, same thing, we stained them. Spent some time working on finishing out the height, but yeah, we still have quite a bit to do, but right now everything's just drying. I'm hoping to work some more on this later today because there's still quite a bit that needs to be done. I'm trying to keep this table design as simple as possible. There's maybe like one or two other things that I might add to it, but I'm not quite sure yet. So if you guys have any cool ideas or anything that you think would make this table way better, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts, and stay tuned for the next update on this table design. Thanks for watching.